guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little weekend in my life, but I'm starting it on today, which is Thursday. I've grown to really love Thursday nights because I still have to go to work in the morning, but I think it's just nice to acknowledge that we have the whole weekend ahead of us and that we made it through the whole week. So Fridays are nice. Like, either you have class or you're at work or whatever it is, you know that once the day's over, like once your work for the day is done, like you made it. You made it, honey. I have a fun little weekend ahead of me. I'm going to be hosting a little party for my roommates from last year. I'm sure you remember some of them if you've been around. I lived with 7 girls last year, or including myself. There was 7 of us, and they're all coming over tomorrow night, which is going to be really fun. So I'm hosting a little soiree, and therefore I really want to like just deep clean my apartment. So we'll be doing that. That's kind of what's on the agenda tonight. I want to deep clean my apartment. I love when it's like this time of night because I just love when the sun comes in and like makes these little patterns from the blinds. I love it even more when it's the morning, but your girl isn't around to see it. So sad. I also just ordered some groceries because I'm gonna make a charcuterie board tomorrow night, so I ordered a bunch of stuff for that. Then I just needed some normal groceries, and I also bought some things off of Amazon for the charcuterie board because I just don't have the supplies to make one and make it look cute. So I got that stuff, I'll show you, but I have a bunch of little things that I want to do right now. I want to vacuum, I want to wipe everything down, clean the little nooks and crannies. I also need to put up my shelves in my bathroom. If you watched my last video, you would know that I put up some new shelves. I had put them right here on this wall. Here are the shelves. They fell off. I'm gonna nail them in the wall. I can't believe I've been cleaning my whole apartment in my clothes from work, but I'm really proud of myself. My apartment is looking really clean. I don't know if I've showed you guys this, maybe a long time ago, but this just like swivels out and like kind of is on this corner, so it faces like the couches. It's nice to be able to just push back so there's like more walk room, but I literally deep cleaned the heck out of this apartment. I vacuumed everywhere. I wiped down like all the surfaces. I cleaned the big mirror, I cleaned literally everything, unloaded the dishwasher, loaded it, unloaded all my groceries. This is some of the stuff for the cheese board that I'm making tomorrow. And I just like got a ton of groceries. It's like so funny. All my Ensure shakes and then all of my Olipop, because I'm literally obsessed. It's so yummy. And I'm so excited about the peppermint mocha creamer. 'Tis the season. And then cleaned everywhere in here, like deep cleaned the bathroom, all the nitty gritty. I like can't believe I'm still in my jeans and my sweater, but it's dark now. It's 7:30 and I really should run to Target and I need to run to CVS, pick up a prescription. I bought a mirror that's for pickup and they literally could bring it out to my car. So that's what's kind of motivating me right now is I literally don't even have to get out of my car to go get this mirror that I ordered from Target. They could bring it right to my car, and then there's a chance that the CVS has a drive-through, so I might not even have to get out of my car, but I also just like don't feel like leaving the apartment now. Like I would love to just shower and get all cozy. I just hate that it's dark. Like I don't like really going out by myself once it's dark. I just prefer not to. I feel like I should though, because everyone's coming over tomorrow at like 6 or 7 and I get out of work at 5, so it's gonna be a tight turnaround. Like I'm gonna want to come home and get ready for the night, and then I also have to make the cheese board, so I don't have time to do this tomorrow. Okay, I somehow got out and I made it to Target, and then I'm gonna go to CVS after, but someone should be bringing out my mirror in a second and I'm really excited. It's also my friend Lauren's 22nd birthday next Tuesday, so tomorrow night I was talking to some of the girls and we were saying we should do... That's perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good night. You too. Anyways, I gotta get out of this spot, but it's her birthday, so we were thinking doing like a little surprise birthday thing for her when everyone comes up tomorrow night. I ordered some decorations on Amazon and they're not gonna be here. And they're like 22 themed. They're so cute. They were supposed to come today, didn't come today. Now they're saying they'll be here tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Hopefully they come. But okay, off to CVS. Another fingers crossed. They better have a drive-through. I'm not in the mood to go in. I'm so pumped. I'm back with the mirror. I feel like it's perfect. I'll link that down below. I think it was like 50 bucks from Target. I'm so excited to just hop in the shower. I'm gonna unbox this. Like that? I don't know. What do you guys think? I actually think it looks really good. Some of you guys gave me this idea. I'm gonna put a bar cart right here. I'm gonna ask for one for Christmas, so I need to measure this space. It's almost 9 o'clock now. I had a really productive night. I really like deep cleaned this place, ran my errands that I needed to, and I'm just gonna shower, may or may not self-tan, don't know, and probably just do some editing and go to sleep. I started reading a new book. I said I was gonna start reading Daisy Jones and the Six, but I actually started reading Everything I Know About Love. So Daisy Jones and the Six will be after. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. It's Friday, and it's not even Friday. The workday is done, and I'm just so ready to have the weekend. I'm so excited for tonight. I'm literally gonna be hanging out with like my best friends, and everyone's gonna be there, and I just can't wait. I'm so excited. I just went to Trader Joe's and got some flowers. I actually picked out a ton of different little arrangements, or just like little flowers that I'm gonna like make my own arrangement. I'm gonna cut the flowers right now. I just got this new bodysuit from Abercrombie and I love it. It has like this, it's kind of like a sweatery material bodysuit. So I think I'm gonna wear this tonight. I need to do like my hair and makeup. I need to put up all the decorations. All the decorations that I ordered came in, so that's amazing. I was really happy to see all those boxes on my doorstep. So Leah is gonna be here before everyone else. She came up early and just like went shopping and it was perfect. So I think she's headed over here now. She should be here any minute. Let's hope I don't screw up this bouquet of flowers or the charcuterie board. Lily's here!
And all my stuff.
Yay! Just educated me that lilies are very poisonous to cats, so.
Can you see?
Fact check.
Yeah, fact check. We want our favorite cat to be safe.
Oh, Petey. Okay, all the decorations are up. It looks so cute, but I'm gonna get ready. I'm not sure if they've left yet. We have reservations for 9. Oh, I think they are on the way. Okay, good. So they'll probably get here like 7:30 ish.
I broke the bag of grapes.
I put Bella to the task of the charcuterie board because I'm still getting ready. These were the...
We're back!
Good morning. It's Sunday now. We just had so much fun on Friday. We stayed up pretty late. I woke up kind of early on Saturday and took some Advil because I felt the headache. And I was like, this is just gonna be here all day. So I wasn't super hungover or anything yesterday, but I was definitely hungover in the sense that I was just exhausted. Like, I just hung around here and watched TV. I edited this video, ate food, took a nap, just had a nice lazy Saturday. I haven't had a nice lazy Saturday like that since I've moved into this apartment, so it felt really nice. But it's Sunday, back to it. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to do. First thing, I just need to get ready for the day and make some breakfast, make my bed, shower. I got these frozen chocolate croissants from Trader Joe's that I'm gonna make, and make some eggs, and I'm pumped. Okay, it's much later now. I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna do some skincare, my hair care. I don't really do much for my hair, but I definitely always do put some type of product in my hair before I brush it, after I wash it. And you guys are always really, really nice to me about my hair for some reason. Like, you're always commenting that my hair looks nice, and I truly appreciate it. But truly, I just wash my hair twice a week, and I only use heat on it. I would say right now once a week. I would say at most 2 times a week, and then like on rare occasions 3 times a week. And I don't dye it too, so I feel like that just contributes to it being healthy, because I've only dyed it once in my life and it went so badly, like so badly. But that's a story for another time. It's actually on my TikTok if you want to go search for that. I only have like 9 TikToks up. There's a picture and everything. It was traumatizing, hence why I have not done one thing to my hair since, but I prefer it that way. I like my natural brown. I'll like get urges sometimes of like, oh, should I get like some highlights in it, or just like lighten it up a little, get like some lighter brown, but I'm always like, nah, it's fine. But yeah, I think just because I've never dyed it, I also only washing it twice a week is really helpful, and then only using heat on it once or twice a week. But so today I really just did a ton of work that I needed to do. I did my laundry. Fingers crossed that this just like goes away, but I am having that feeling of like before you get sick, and I'm like a little nauseous too. I'm not sure what that's all about, but I've been eating like pretty plain today because of it. Not sure what's going on, but I've been really wanting to watch the Selena Gomez documentary that's on Apple TV. I know there's like all this backlash on one of her friends in the documentary, which is so crazy that like this documentary comes out about like all Selena's struggles and all of that, and like literally all that everyone's talking about is this girl. So I gotta watch and get all the details. But I'm gonna end this video here. I'm literally about to upload this video and then watch the documentary. So thank you guys so much for watching. I upload videos every Sunday. Follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends. If you made it to this point in the video, comment this emoji, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!